In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Constant Contact. Whether you're aiming to share a captivating tutorial, a product demonstration, or a personal message with your audience, embedding a video directly into your email can make a significant impact. It's an effective way to engage your recipients, encouraging them to click and watch what you've got to say. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the email editor within Constant Contact. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Build tab, which is your starting point for adding different elements to your email. It should be easy to spot, typically located on the left side of the screen. In this section, you have a variety of options to choose from, but for now, our focus is on the video block. Once you've located it, simply click and drag this video block into your email layout. Choose the spot where you'd like your video to appear. It might be at the top to grab attention right away, or perhaps further down if it complements other content. Now that you have your video block in place, it's time to edit it and make it your own. Click on the video block that you just added, and you'll see an option to edit on the toolbar that appears. Click on Edit to proceed. This step is all about setting up the block to display your chosen video. Editing may sound complex, but Constant Contact makes it quite intuitive. With the video block ready to edit, the next crucial step is to insert your actual YouTube video. Get the URL of your chosen YouTube video. It should be the direct link, not a playlist or a YouTube page. Once you have your link ready, return to Constant Contact. And in the editing window, you'll see a field labeled Video URL. Carefully paste your copied YouTube link into this field. And there you have it. The video is now embedded in your email. It's important to check that everything appears correctly and the video plays as expected. Consider sending a test email to yourself to ensure all is functioning seamlessly. Your audience will now be treated to a dynamic video viewing experience right from within your email. This process is a simple yet effective way to make your communications more engaging. Videos often convey a message much stronger than text and can significantly increase your email's impact. So, next time you want to share some visuals, remember this easy method to embed a YouTube video in your Constant Contact emails. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.